Eu sou enfermeira da ADRA.
I'm a volunteer nurse working with ADRA. I serve in a remote clinic in the Amazon region where I see emergency and clinical cases. Well, I'm from a traditional Seventh-day Adventist family. I'm a fifth-generation Adventist. I had the privilege to study at a top university in Brazil. At the age of 22, as I was about to graduate, I knew that I wanted to get into a good residency and build a strong career in the nursing field. But I'd also think that at some point in my life, I'd like to work with the Lazaro launches, serving the needy people along the Amazon River, or perhaps somewhere in Africa. I always thought that a missionary life is very exciting, but I would serve as a missionary only when I already had a job and was financially secure. I'd do mission during my vacation breaks.
But God had a different plan for Samantha. Although a student, fresh out of college without money or clear direction, Samantha prayed for God to guide her future.
The doors began to fly open. I had no money, and people started coming to me. One person paid for my airfare. Another bought my travel bags. I had no money for purchasing luggage. There was a stranger who simply walked up to me and gave me $300. So things started happening in a way that I could not deny. This was God's will for me.
On a daily basis, Samantha cares for the people along the Amazon River. In this remote region, there is little access to health care. If the ADRA clinic wasn't here, the people would need to travel up to 8 hours for access to medicine and a health professional. Samantha fills an important role, and through her friendly attitude, she's awarded gratitude and appreciation.
Elas se sentem muito gratas porque nós estamos num lugar em que o atendimento.
They feel very thankful because we are in a place of hard access to health care. When I give the people something as simple as a pill for pain relief or to care of a fever, I notice great openness and sincere gratitude from them. I could not have imagined that I would be a missionary volunteer in this way. But I see that the things I know and that God gave me the privilege to learn throughout my life are useful for them. Although I can only show and teach them basic things, they receive it with eagerness and excitement, and I feel very well to see that I can share this knowledge for a better life and hope. I feel that God didn't bring me here to save people, but rather for my own salvation, so that my life could be changed, especially for me and my character to be transformed through the lives of the people I work with here, and that I would not lose a year of my life, but gain experience and closeness to God, getting to know Jesus more intimately while I am serving the children, the people. And as I realized that, God gave me this profession and chose me particularly to do His work of service.
Many Seventh-day Adventists around the world choose to live out Jesus' teaching in practical ways by serving, healing, and caring for humanity. Please pray for the many Adventist volunteers working around the world. And thanks for helping touch lives.